welcome back to the Native Tech channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the comment filter on your Facebook page. Now if you don't want to show certain comments that are containing certain words on your Facebook page, here is how to use the built-in feature on Facebook to filter out those comments. And now the first thing is to log into your Facebook and switch to the page, and once you're on the page, profile, click on settings, and right under audience and visibility section you'd want to click on followers and public content. Then scroll down to see this option that says hide comments containing certain words from your page. Now you can see in the case of this page, this option is off. Now to have it turned on, just go ahead and click on this arrow button, and then you'd want to key in the words that you want to filter from your Facebook page. Now for example, you can, alright, so once you are done adding all the words that you want to filter, just go ahead and click on save. Alright, so you can see that the changes have been saved. So that's how to use this feature that allows you to hide comments containing certain words from your Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.